Fact. Tears are the eye's natural antiseptic eye wash. Fact. Pollution and dust particles from the air may cause serious infection in the eyes. Fact. There are 10 million airborne bacteria that go through the air right this very minute. Fact. Only one is trusted by most ophthalmologists.
The
Brand most ophthalmologists. Describe.
Cyclops brand.